The grinder personal calibration, go to the menu, put the password, then go to the spanner settings. Then you can see, once it's open, you can see service routine. Go to the service routine, go to the personal calibration. If we want to first making the grinder left personal, so we can make the personal calibration. Then we need to up. First two grinder, whatever is the coffee in the coffee spout, it's coming out. So after that one, it's so after two time it's grinding, you can say please empty. After that, just place the arrow, so it's coming to the 5 time grinding.
Check the timing.
This is third time. Fourth. Fifth. After grinding 5 times, we need to weighing the coffee powder, and you can see the value. We need to put the value here, exact value we need to put. So it's showing 33, we need to put the 33. Whatever value is coming after making the 5 time grinding, you need to put. Then press arrow. Then just insert the portafilter. Same we can make to the right side grinder. First two time the coffee is coming out. You can see the remaining coffee is coming out. Then after this one, make it 0, and it's coming to the 5 time grinding. So once 5 time grinding, you need to wait. So after 5 time grinding, you can see the powder is coming. We need to weighing the powder, the coffee powder. You can see the whatever its grammage is showing, we need to put inside the value. So now both grinder, it's a personal calibration done. So now after that you can come out.